You've got several of these Milwaukee tool batteries. This is something I recommend for y'all. This is really cool. This is a 350 watt power inverter that converts these M18 batteries down to usable power for an AC unit. And let me just go over the box here. It's got overprotection current, overload, overheat, battery discharge circuit protection. And looking at the side, running watts is 350 watts, peak watts 350 watts, DC 18 volt to 20 volt, which makes sense because these are 18 volts. Gives you a 110 outlet, 5 volts of charging, and it's got a light, built-in light on it. You know what? Enough chatting here, everybody. Let me just open this thing up. So this is so small and compact, and it's super light because the batteries are not built in like a normal power station. Now this can work with 1 or 2 batteries. It doesn't give it more power, it just gives it longer lasting power. This is a 2 amp hour, but imagine if you had 5 amp hour M18 batteries, you could go 2. That'd give you 10 amp hours of battery power. Lock that in right there. I am fully charged right here. Turn it on, hold this down. It does that little beep. You can see it actually gives me the battery indicator. It's got a full battery. It's got me one side. The other side, if you put it over there, obviously you'd have 2 on there. I've got 20 volts of input on here. Output volts is right there. AC, if I want to turn the AC on, I hit the AC. I think the DC is already on. I've got a USB-C cable, which we have a 24 watt USB-C. Let's see if it'll charge my little batteries here. Well, as soon as you plug it in, we've got batteries charging. These are my little camera batteries. Those charge great. You've got a USB-A up here. I'm sure it works fine. You know what? If the bottom one works, I'm sure the top one works. Well, sure enough, there we go. We've got that one working. On the back, we've got a LED light that actually rotates between colors. It can go green. Look at that, red, that's awesome. That actually would come in really handy, everybody, having that LED light just running right there. Now, this is the feature that I was really interested in. These are AC outputs, and it looks like they would accommodate a lot of different outlets. I have a right angle grinder here. I'm just gonna hook up this right angle grinder. Let's make sure it's turned off. Now, it looks like it won't fit, but what you wanna do is really push it in there hard, just like that. Turn the AC on. It's already charging. I see the wattage. It's charging that with no problem. Let's test this out. Wow, that works great. 200 watts coming out of this thing. I see no issues at all with that. Let's actually hook up a sander to this thing. Oh yeah, that works great. 90 watts. You know what? Let's run them all. Right angle grinder, corner sander. That button's hard to mash. I'm doing it all one-handed. Whoa, 300 watts. Can I lay this thing down without it staying on the table? That's scary. I'm not doing that. 300 watts of power pulling out of all of these. Look at this. So if we were on a job site, I could run a right angle grinder, a drill, or like this. That's actually got a lot of power on it. When you're done with it, just unplug it there. I recommend getting the 5 amp batteries and getting 2 of them and really locking them in. But the fact that I can just run 1 on here with no problem is an awesome feature. And then when I want to take them off, let's just stick one over there. And then there we go. Let's see. Look at that. Runs just fine on the other side. I don't see any issues with that at all. And then that would really be a handy item for anyone that's just on a little small job site, or if you're like working indoors and you don't want to carry a bunch of different tools, you can utilize your own batteries that you have with this for make you a power bank, which would be a really handy feature and kind of eliminate another tool for you. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got in the Live and Wildingly, whatever that is, 300 watt, 350 watt power inverter. See you on the next video.